Hey guys, what's up? My name is Marcus Chronicle, and welcome back to Fallout. Just gotta get reoriented. So it's been a few days, and yeah. Alright. Oasis. So, there we go. Much better. What do I have and what? No, I don't want that. No. Oh, fuck! That actually freaked me out a little bit. Okay, no, that was 6. That is worthless, and that is wrath. Was it envy? Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna put on. No, not 8. That because 7. And wrath, I'll put back on 8. Can't shoot it while it's underwater, can I? No, I cannot. Is there anything actually over here? Ooh, stim pack. Okay, well, I don't think I can really get up there much, so let's just go down here. There we go. Just, nope, not what I meant to do. Thank you, dog meat. Get out a different gun. Not that one. Not that one. Nah, you know what? Just, yeah, that'll work. Probably shouldn't have been standing in a puddle of radiation. Probably should be moving around this hostile area while crouched and invisible. Nah. Don't really see a point in collecting those. Dog meat. I know there's an enemy around here somewhere. So we can deal with it later. Nope. There we go. Let's run up here and see what's up here. Why not? Ooh, a lot of rounds. A cigarette. Who cares? Empty trunk. Suitcase. Nothing. Silence 10mm pistol. There's Journal of Medicine, which I think is mostly worthless to me. No, it's not. Not at all. Medicine increased by 2. It's actually good that I found that. Man, the Mirelurk Kinks can take a hit. I have a lot of ammo for Lust. Guess that's good. Oh, there's a bike. It's a bike. Okay, you know what? Let's use Wrath. I don't use Wrath very much. It doesn't care. Thank you, dog meat. Going this way. Nope, can't get around that way. The regular Mirelurks go down. Especially when you shoot them in the face with a fire shotgun. Eventually, I'll take care of all of them. Except for the king that I left back out there. And there's Harold's heart. I could shoot him with this and probably kill him. Nothing's over here. Okay, first off, I just want to see if this will work. Nope. And because I don't want to use all that ammo. Okay, so we can accelerate his growth, which would help the world. We can stop his growth, at which point, well, let's just say this was probably the worst option. Or we could destroy him and kill him, giving him what he wants. Now, normally I kill him, no problem. But I kind of want to see what happens if I accelerate his growth, which is probably one of the better options. So let's do that one. Sorry, Harold. I'm not gonna talk to Harold more than likely. I might go and see what he says, but pretty much he's just gonna bitch me out or something. But it is probably much better just to heal him. Okay, let's go. I don't want to know why there's bodies in that water. Let's just leave. And afterward, lawnmower. You know, I'm going to take that lawnmower blade. Why not? Why not? Never take anything else. Why shouldn't I take that? Good radiation. Don't even know if I'm going the right direction anymore. But why not? Let's just keep going until something happens. I can't see anything. Ooh. You want to come up a little bit? Whoa. Good. Gonna quick save again because I kind of want to see what's down here. Nothing. Dog meat. Okay, let's go find Tree Mother or whatever. We could do him a solid and kill everyone except for the kid. Open the door to Oasis. God, it's dark out again. What time is it? Okay, we'll just wait 9 hours. Why not? Just wait some time. So that I can see what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Nothing. Where are these people? It's the kid. Is this where she is? Does I need to talk to her? Nope. Where the hell is she? I should probably follow the arrow. Should probably do that. I've not looked at the radar at all. I looked at it once. Probably in here. The Grove. Yep, here she is. Hold up. Okay. So what I thought. What about this? This is radiated? Yep. You. Could have used a pile of caps instead, but whatever. Sure, I guess. Do they have Nuka-Cola? No. I'm not the killing type. He's crazy. About those tree minders. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. I've got to go now. Sure. I'm probably not gonna do that. I might stop by and say hi to him every once in a while. Did I ever finish the Big Trouble in Big Town? What will you do now? Okay, let's go. Okay. Is anyone going to give me anything useful? Hoods. You Poplar's hood. Yeah, I'm not going to wear that. What about you? You have anything useful? London's Outcast power armor. Let's go now. I didn't know he was an outcast. It's probably much stronger than most things. That gives me extra sneak. I need to get that replaced. And I need to do some work on that. I'll go over to Megaton soon. Let's go now. I don't care about what you guys are going to do. How the hell do I get out of here? Is it this way? No, that's back that way. This way, maybe? Yep, wasteland. Let's get out of here. You got anything for me? I don't care about what they're going to do. Okay, so that was the end of Oasis. Cruise Resort Homes. Is that place actually in the game? Let's go there. Let's just head south that way. Because I don't know if that place is an actual place in the game, and I'd like to find out. So once we get out of this path, we'll just head over there. It's just going to take a while to get out of here, isn't it? Yeah, I think after that, eventually these trees might start growing again. Get some life back in them. Or they won't. We'll see. Maybe I'll get a mod to make them grow. But let's see what's going to be down here. Why am I not just using Q? And, yeah. It's, this one's right here. I might as well pick up the marker. I don't think there'll be anything useful at it. And after that, I'll head directly there. Go this way. Don't want to get caught in rubble, because that would not be smart. Is it all the way up here? Okay. Can I jump up a little bit higher? There we go. Bethesda games, breaking them by jumping. Broadcast tower, and that's Rat Scorpion. Yeah. I assume Foxtrot signal. Like it's nope. No. Nope. I'll find it eventually, probably. Maybe. Who knows? Probably not, but I don't think there's ever really anything useful on them. Odds are there's a manhole somewhere or an entrance into a cave. It's getting weaker. Yep, it came back for a second. Yep. Got really far away from the source. Don't know where it could be. Probably right down here somewhere. Oh, what was that? Oh, yeah, Guai. Hey, friend. Oh, there it is. Knew I'd find it eventually. I don't think I've ever been in this one. First, I'll turn that off. Big Book of Science, which I think is at 100, so I might as well not read that. Don't want to. Nope. This is an easy lock. There we go. Some pre-war money, some bottle caps, some rounds, and buff out, which I'm not going to take. And I'll take all these stakes. Purified water. Knife. Salisbury steak. Radex. Medex. Darts. Lunchbox. Dog meat. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been in this one. So, let's keep going. And fucking... I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh, right, I'm going to an area I've never been to. So, yeah. It's going to be on the other side of this ridge, isn't it? How far away am I? I'm not as close as I would like to be, but I'm not too far away. Got all that. I do plan on exploring the rest of the vaults before I end this series, but I'll probably start doing that after I finish the DLC. Oh, brain. Nope. Okay. Why am I still crouched? Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and we have made not really any progress on anything. Deathclaw? Deathclaw. Second Deathclaw of the series, I think. Ow! Okay, not that bad. Doesn't look like there's anything useful over here. There's an empty mailbox in the middle of town. There's an iBot. Another mailbox, probably empty. Yep. No, there's just nothing useful here. Okay, move it. R for Big Town. No, I haven't been to Big Town. Well, let's go to Big Town. Let's see what's around Big Town. Why not? I did complete that. But of course I did because Time Bomb's awake. Okay. You're still alive, so let's see if you have anything you can give me. Squirrel stew. Okay, I have to go now. That was worthless. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna go talk to Red, see what type of... Actually, alright. Yeah, can't you repair stuff? Yep. There we go. That's not my Gauss rifle I'm using. Fix that. Fix that. You could have done better on those. Then I guess these are just, yeah. So, let's get the hell out of here. You got any good items on you, Red? Wherever you are. Up there you are. That was months ago. So long ago, I forgot it happened. You can spare a lot of stim packs for someone that's been having problems with super mutants. And why not? Let's just take let's take 15. Let's take 15. That's 495 caps. Springfield rifle. I think Springfield's rifle is the one that kind of sucks. Let's get rid of that hood. Sell some of these. I'm not worried about the money. It's just lining the load right now. Getting rid of stuff I know I'm not ever going to use. A lot of these. Yum Yum deviled eggs. I have a lot of fingers apparently. And I have purchased sap. Some pre-war money. Might as well get rid of that. And I won't have anything else to. Okay, let's accept that and exit out of here. I plan on doing Mothership Zeta next. At least right now. I might change that eventually. Because after that, you never have to worry about money when you get through there. Okay, let's is there something I want to do while I'm out here? Bigsley for right. Rockcar Tunnels, Commander Atkins, head of the Outcast Outpost. Install processor widget in Roboco. Right. I should probably do that. Have I even been over there yet? Oh, I have. Let's do this real quick because I'm gonna get lost in here. I think there's a lot of rad roaches. Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's also a lot of mole rats, I believe. Probably shouldn't waste that much ammo on one of these things. Yeah, that'll work. Anything in here? No, what? Oh, it was telephone. Okay, somewhere upstairs. Right away? Right away. Stim pack. Okay. Nucola Protectron. Army Protectron. Regular one. Regular one. Okay. So, are these still rad roaches? Yeah. For the most part, they're still rad roaches. And mole rats. Not gonna waste all my ammo. Well, get on the stairs. Empty footlocker. Take those energy cells. I don't think I have the stuff to make that, and I'm not going to make a bottle cap mine even if I do. Let's find our way through here. Because I know there's doors somewhere. There's a door in here. No. At least I have a shit ton of ammo for this. There we go. Offices and cafeteria. Nuka-Cola. Swear I hear another one. Probably up higher. I think it's on the top floor. Is it in here? Yep. So glad I found that. Carpeting. Cardinals. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not an enemy. Ow! You shoot me? Son of a bitch. Okay, how the hell do I get out of here again? Okay. I probably shouldn't jump down there. Not you, dog meat. You continue on with what you're doing. I'm just gonna get over here and deactivate you. Not the way I need to go. The hell do I get down from here? It's back to the... I went the wrong way. What? What? Okay, you know what? Just take that, that. There we go. Okay, no damage. Ammo boxes. I'm trying to get the hell out of here. Ow, son of a bitch. They were smart. They wouldn't try that. The hell am I going? Over here somewhere? Is that it? Or, yeah, that might be it. Nope. Getting there. All rats. How am I lost in this area? I've never been lost here. So, yeah, I need to go back through this area. Maybe. Nope. This is just a dead end because there's not a door right there. So back to this area and over here. Okay. Over this way, maybe? Not what I meant to do, but... possibly... Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Over in that area, possibly. Back that way. I'm lost. There's dog meat. So I'm possibly going the right way. Okay, now I need to... No? The fuck am I going then? Okay, I'm going this way. And back out this way. Oh, yep, there we go. I don't fucking care. I'm out. And it's night. Wrong button. I do have to say, it does look good right here. That does look great. Especially 10 Penny Tower over there. I think that's 10 Penny Tower. Yeah. Yeah, let's head back to Megaton. I'd wish it'd be day by the time we get back, but shut up. I'm gonna go sleep. Might as well. Might as well go sleep. Add all Nicholas to the inventory. Hi. Get out of me. Give me a drink. There we go. Dog meat, get out. Move. Come on, dog meat. Get out. Forward. Okay. Heal myself. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Why did I only sleep an hour? Honestly, I don't think that's enough. I think that will only land me at about 6, 7. I still need to do another hour. There we go. Now Moria will be open. And I can turn in this quest and get whatever the hell the last one was, which I think was books. The library, maybe. Moria. Yes! Value as allies. Not really. I love how you give stuff just after the fact. Okay. There's city. The library. Oh. Research local history. I'll research the history because I don't want to go to the library just yet. Okay. First off. That'll do. Can you repair my equipment? Yes, you can. You need to repair that a little bit better and that better. Guy's rifle. And all the other stuff isn't really that big. And I can repair that later. What do you have for sale? Because I need to get rid of the 2 books I have. Big book of science. And what ammo do you have? Not much useful stuff. I'll take all of those though. You can never have enough ammo. You know, give me the jukebox. Why not? You can have all this aqua pura. Then I'll take all your stim packs. Just drop off a good portion of this. Why do I have so much Rad-X? There's a lot of Rad-X I have a lot of... You know what? Take all the Rat X. I don't think I'm going to need it. Smash, dirty water. I'm keeping the cider. I should go back and see if they have more ammo for that. Take this combat knife. Autoplasma. Do I have anything in my ammo that I don't use anymore? Why do I have so many missiles? Just good. We're good here. Just took 1,000 caps because I have so many missiles. Let's go take a look at my jukebox. Then we'll head over to Rivet City. I wonder if I can buy this stuff for a 10-penny tower. Ooh. Yeah, where is the jukebox? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Sure, I'll leave it on. Okay. So let's head down to Rivet City, and we'll get the local history, and we'll just head to the marketplace because that's usually the best place. The hell? Why are you dead? Just taking my Aqua Pura back. Is it weird? It's like I've never seen that happen before. Okay. There we are. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Been a pleasure, asshole. I think this is the one I came through, so... I wonder what my karma rating is. I've not checked in a while. I'm probably still a hero. Yeah, model of selflessness. Sure. Are you the person? Yep. The history. Yep. I'm kind of curious now. Midship. Data. Local map. Okay, I can still go back in there. Broken bow, broken bow. I probably shouldn't go back in here because last time But, well, maybe it'll end up better than last time. Like, I might actually be able to find Pinkerton. Also, I didn't know that she knew Pinkerton existed. Or at least was still alive down there. Come on. Let me out. Let me out. There. I'm going to quick save right here. Because when this inevitably goes bad, I want to just fast travel out by reloading the game. Okay, broken bow. There's still things in here. I'd say I need... I guess that's more lower down. Ow. Okay. Screw off. Okay. That worked about as well as it should have. I guess this way will work for now. Then in here somewhere. Maybe back over here. Yeah. Nope. Okay, I need to go left. Wherever possible. The hell? Oh, up here, I guess. Iron. How did I miss this area? I didn't, because that wouldn't be empty. Right. Oh. I don't think there's any other way to get that open. Oh. Oh, fucking hell. Switch is right there. The terminal doesn't need to open it. You're lucky I don't shoot you for that fucking switch. That. Yep, that's my goal. Okay, so you used to be in charge. Why are you down here then? Okay. Imagine. Yeah, I really can't imagine she'd be more popular considering who she is. Okay. What are you doing down here? Okay. Let's go. Let's look around here real quick, see if there's anything of use. A door to probably his bedroom. Yes, yes. Don't care. Don't think there's anything useful around here then. He doesn't need them. I don't need that. A stealth boy, which is about as useful as it could be. Dean's Electronics. What is Dean's Electronics? Aid. Repair. That's actually probably helpful. I don't think my repair was at 100 at that point. It might be. Repair. Nope. 93. Close. Not there yet, but I'm close. Okay, now let's get the hell out of here. Ooh. The hell? Swear I saw someone down here. Oh well. Maybe I'm starting to lose it. What's on the... Oh. Son of a fucking bitch. Okay, Megaton. Why not? So in the next episode, we might finish off Moria's Wasteland Survival Guide. And then probably go start to one of the DLCs, more than likely Mothership Zeta. You. I got this. I mean, I talked to 3 people. Traders settled in around it. That one. Yeah. And tats. If only I bought stuff from them. Library. I'll check out my local library. Arlington. Okay, let's go. Okay. Thanks. You didn't give me anything. You aren't even worth stealing from. Whatever. I've not been down here yet. Hi. I live above your store. Again, I live above your store. Like, one house above you. What's on the menu? I will take all 6 of those. And I should probably grab some of those. What? Railway spike. So let's just dump a bunch of these. Let's dump a good portion of that. Yeah. And I'll take 3 of those back. Take another one. Okay. Nope. Take all of them back. 2, 6. Nope. Okay. There we go. Good enough. Now let's go. Literally everyone in town. Legitimately everyone in town turns on you. Okay, well, I think that's going to be all for this time. If you guys like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, tell us what you want to see us do in the next episode. However, if you hated this video, leave a dislike, tell us for second comments below, and share this video with all your enemies, because you never know, you might ruin their day too. But for the rest of you, we will see you in the next episode.